From raw steel to a finished car, let's walk through the 16 steps that bring a Tesla Model Y to life. It begins with huge coils of steel and aluminum, cut into flat sheets called blanks, ready for shaping. Massive stamping presses form each panel, doors, hoods, roofs, all in just milliseconds. Robots clamp and weld panels into the body in white, the car's rigid skeleton.
Tesla pioneered gigacastings, huge aluminum parts replacing dozens of smaller pieces for strength and speed.
Hundreds of precision welds lock the body together, stronger and safer with every joint.
Seams are sealed with high-strength adhesives, keeping water out and structure solid. Each shell is dipped in E-coat, an anti-corrosion bath that protects every hidden surface.
Robotic sprayers apply layers of primer, color, and clear coat for that flawless showroom finish.
The heart of the EV, the battery pack, is assembled here, cell by cell, into a single, massive tray.
Next, the electric motors, small, powerful units that deliver instant torque.
Miles of wiring connect the car's brain, powering everything from sensors to screens.
Interiors are installed, seats, dash, and tech, built for comfort and design.
Glass roof and doors are mounted with exact alignment, sealing the cabin tight.
Every car is tested for safety, electronics, and performance before leaving the line. And here it is, a fully built Tesla Model Y, ready for the road.